I'm sorry. Even though it's the company's pet, we can't keep it anymore.
Yes, he's starting to be an embarrassment.
Well, tomorrow we'll see about getting rid of
Okay
him.
then, see you tomorrow. Have a good night.
You too.
Feathers up! Feathers up!
Oh, Pablo, I see it, there it is.
What are you talking about, Emily?
New York, no?
Oh, okay. I thought you were talking about something on my head.
All those lights remind me of Paris.
Paris, London, Venice, New York. When will we decide to go to the pole?
Or to Transylvania. I have relatives there.
Humphrey, Floyd?
Help! Someone's in danger!
What danger? You two sleep all the time. Birds are supposed to be awake by sunrise.
Sunrise? Where is the sunrise?
Come on, move. We're going to stop.
Hop, la, hop, la, hop, la, hop. Ouch! Hey! Oh! Ah!
Good morning. It's a nice day.
I know. It's a statue, not a giant. Maybe it's today's chilly morning breeze that made me all dizzy.
True, it happens to me too. Drafts give me nightmares. That's why I always have to close everything. Have a good day.
And on top of everything, I've been crushed by a pachyderm.
A what? Pachyderm? How dare you, Micro? We should complain. I'm still shocked.
a tacklepoom on a microbe. What's a tacklepoom? A Patty?
Oh, come on, guys. It was just an accident.
Hey, let's lighten up the atmosphere, okay?
Well, if this is the case, I'm going to go for a short flight.
Oh!
Hey, anybody want to tell me what a capiderm is?
This is the good life. This is a nice way to stretch my wings.
I'd say it was about time to stretch your wings.
Everything's fine here. I just wonder where the hummingbird went.
There he is. Although he never could look like King Kong.
King who?
King Kong. It's a story made up by the humans. A huge gorilla that was transported to New York. He climbs to the top of that skyscraper over there where Humphrey is now.
Humphrey's a gorilla? I thought he was a hummingbird.
La la la, la la la, la 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 la, la la la, la la. What a day! What?
Humphrey, it's just a stone sculpture. Humphrey, it's the Statue of Liberty, not a giant.
It's just a statue, coward. Don't let it fool you. Oh, well, it just about scared me.
I almost fell off.
But you're a statue. You shouldn't speak. Should
Do I look like a statue? Huh? Huh?
No offense, but you're a crocodile?
Alligator, please. Alligator from Mississippi, to be more precise. My name is Andy.
Humphrey. Hummingbird. How do you do?
Listen, I don't have time for chatting. I need to get down from here. Can you help me?
Me? How can I help?
Wake up. You can fly, can't you?
Yes, but I'm not strong enough to. And you're quite a big animal.
Just my luck. The microbe is right.
But I could call my friends, my colleagues from the bird squad. We're a rescue team and...
What are you waiting for? Hurry. Call this bird gang or whatever it is.
I'm going. Just hold on. Well, girls, a dive in the Central Park Lake?
Oh!
Help! Emergency!
Humphrey, did you see any other statue?
No statues, but a real crocodile, and he's in big trouble!
Actually, on the radio, humans are speaking of a crocodile that escaped here in New York, and they're prepared to do whatever it takes to stop him.
We have... Go ahead. I'm gonna follow with the airship.
Saving a crocodile? Isn't that a little dangerous?
He's in trouble!
You know, Marnie's right, Amelie. We better be careful.
Over there!
Wow, a huge lizard.
Don't be so loud. He's quite sensitive, you know. Here we are, Andy!
Hello, Andy. I'm Corky.
And these would be the great rescuers?
How on earth could a crocodile end up here?
Alligator! Alligator from Mississippi!
Alligator? Maybe you were born up here.
Of course not. It's the humans. I was captured when I was little in Mississippi. They've kept me here since then, in a kind of glass box. But when I grew up and got bigger, I didn't fit there anymore. Yesterday, the humans were talking between themselves and looked at me in a way I didn't like. I said to myself, Andy, get out of here. So I jumped from the window and ended up here.
Alligator, do you want to get down from there or not?
Of course, if you can help me, I promise I won't taste any of you. And please believe me, I'm starving here.
Oh!
Hungry? You too? I sympathize so much.
Those nice ladies, for example, I'd have them for dinner. Oh, help!
Oh, oh.
You better not move while we think about what we can do.
Okay, but hurry up.
Maybe Floyd and the dogs can bring him down, could they?
Great idea. I love playing with salamanders.
He's just too heavy and it's too dangerous.
Look, Penny is coming with the airship.
I got it! We can let him climb aboard the airship.
I'm not sure that's such a good idea. Anyway, don't forget, he's still an alligator and instinct is instinct, isn't it?
Oh, no. It wouldn't be a good idea at all.
Hey, can you finish your lengthy discussion?
Oh, Parbleu, I can watch. He's going to fall down.
Fall down? Wait a minute. Once I saw humans who were putting out a fire in a building, and down on the street they had a sort of sheet so that the humans trapped in the building could jump onto it. I think I got it. I'll be back. Penny, listen. This is what we're gonna do.
Hold on, Andy, just a few seconds.
All right, here we are. Okay, Andy, now, let go.
Crow, have you gone totally insane?
Trust him. It's not dangerous. You'll land softly.
You won't be any less brave than a hummingbird, will you?
Gosh, that microbe is right. All right, old Andy will listen to a gang of birds for once in his life. Geronimo! Ah!
Oh, I can watch.
Well, what are you staring at?
Yes! You see? That was easy.
Also lots of fun, believe me.
Good. Now it's better for you to get out of this cement forest.
You said that right, Crow.
Andy, where would you like us to drop you off?
Will you be so kind as to bring me home in old Mississippi?
Sure, why not?
And I would ask you, is there any possibility that I might get into the cabin?
I don't think it would be a good idea. Nothing personal, you know, but we are birds, and you are an alligator.
And instinct is still instinct.
No, you're right. It wouldn't be a good idea at all, huh? You're having a good time.
Sense of humor is the most important thing.
The most important thing is to always brush your teeth.
Breaking news, New York City. Distraught employees of a company in the Chrysler building reported today that they saw an airborne crocodile diving at a high speed right outside their office windows. According to other witnesses, it was an alligator. Zoologists and sociologists are working to verify the bizarre event.